All right, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about getting your money out of Wealthsimple. You've probably heard of Wealthsimple, right? The investing app that promises to make your money grow without all the fancy financial jargon. But what happens when you want to cash out? How long does it actually take to transfer your money from Wealthsimple to your bank account? That's the burning question, isn't it? Now, I know what you're thinking. It should be instant, right? We're in the digital age. Well, hold your horses. While technology has made a lot of things faster, financial transactions still have their own pace. And Wealthsimple is no exception. So, let's break it down. How long does it really take to transfer your money from Wealthsimple? The answer, unfortunately, isn't a simple one. It depends on a few factors. What you're transferring. Are you transferring cash from your available balance, or are you selling investments first? Selling investments adds an extra step, which means more time. The type of account. Are you using a Wealthsimple trade, invest, or another type of account? There might be slight differences in processing times. The time of year. Believe it or not, even the time of year can impact transfer speeds. Bank holidays and high-volume periods can cause delays. Okay, let's talk specifics. If you have cash sitting in your Wealthsimple account, ready to go, you can typically expect to see it in your bank account within a few business days. But remember, business days doesn't include weekends or holidays. Now, if you need to sell investments first, you're looking at a slightly longer timeline. It usually takes one business day for the sale to settle, and then a few more days for the money to hit your bank account. So, we're talking about a total of 4 to 5 business days, at least. But wait, there's more. If you're transferring a large sum of money, or if there's something unusual about your account, it could take even longer. Wealthsimple might put a hold on the transfer for security reasons. And let's not forget about potential bank errors or technical glitches. These things happen, and they can cause delays. So, what can you do to speed things up? Well, the best advice is to plan ahead. If you know you need the money soon, don't wait until the last minute to initiate the transfer. Also, double-check all the information you enter. Mistakes can lead to delays or even rejected transfers. And remember, while it can be frustrating to wait for your money, it's important to prioritize security. Financial institutions have procedures in place to protect your funds, and that sometimes means taking extra time. So, there you have it. Transferring money from Wealthsimple isn't always as fast as we'd like, but it's not rocket science either. By understanding the factors that can affect transfer times, you can better manage your expectations and avoid unnecessary stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.